Hey everybody, this video is to say I got a mystery package from somebody on YouTube. They sent me a pack of rice select royal blend rice, and I want to say thank you. But I don't know who did it. If whoever did it, if they let me know, I'll make a recipe. I'll cook with this. I'll make me maybe some shrimp and rice or some salmon, and we'll try it out. Want to say thank you. I know it's somebody on YouTube because it was sent to Rob Moffat, and that's not my real name. My real name is Wayne McGillicuddy Pontoon. So I knew it has to be Rob Moffat on YouTube because that's the only place I use that name. So whoever sent this to Rob Moffat from YouTube, I appreciate this very much. Let me know in the comments who did it, and when I make the recipe video, I will certainly thank them personally. All right, guys. Anytime you want to send me food, hey, you can call me anything but late for supper. You know what I'm saying? All right. Take care.